Hi humans, my name is Fluffy. I don't like when my humans use a plain old vacuum cleaner. It scares me. Plus, it takes them time away from playing catch with me.
Computer, Lucy on.
I want to introduce you to my new friend Lucy. Lucy is a smart robot. She doesn't scare me. Lucy has eyes, just like me. She can see me and my toys, and she never tries to eat them. Dad says Lucy can make a map of our house, so she will know how to clean it easily. And Lucy is so powerful, too. Dad says he can see me when he's not home using Lucy's eyes. I like to play hide and seek with Lucy. Dad can use Alexa, Google Assist, or the Trifo app to schedule cleaning. I like to share my fur with humans, and Lucy helps pick it all up. I think my humans like Lucy. They play with me more than ever. I hope they never use that big vacuum cleaner ever again. I love Lucy!